Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marco and today we are looking at the 3 pillars of personal finance and how to make the most of them. So the 3 pillars are income, expenses and investing. We'll start with income, and obviously here the goal is to make as much money as possible. And so one website that you can look at to monetize your spare time is called ysense.com. They're based in the US, but you can make money from any country because they pay through PayPal. The main activity they offer is surveys, and they pay from $1 to $2 a survey. If you have a bit more spare time and you want to make a much higher amount of money, then you should look at a website called Teespring.com. This is another US-based company and again available in any country. You earn money with them by making designs for mugs, t-shirts and hoodies. And then you have to upload these designs on Teespring, and then Teespring uses it for their own products and sells it on your behalf. Teespring has also got a software for making designs on their website that you can use for free. And you don't have to buy anything. There are 2 things you have to do. First of all, upload the design on their website, and second one is to decide the amount of profit you want to make for each item they sell. And if you like these side hustles, there is another bunch of them in the playlist of videos that I will drop above. The next pillar we are gonna look at today is your expenses, and the goal here is to spend as little as possible. And so my first practical advice is to keep your cash in a savings account. I am not saying you should lock your money away for years, not at all. These days there are loads of savings accounts you can get money from as and when you please. And the benefits of a savings account are twofold. The first thing is that you obviously get an interest rate that you would not be able to get from a checking account. And the second benefit is that it's harder for you to spend money because you first of all would have to transfer it from the savings account to your checking account. It's a quick process, but this little nuisance gives you the time to think if you really want to spend that money or not. And sometimes that turns into a way to save money, which takes me to my second practical tip, which is to check all cashback websites before purchasing something online. The idea is that you can get great discounts if you make your purchase through cashback or voucher websites. And that's obviously saved money for you. And if you sign up on Topcashback using the link below, and you make a purchase giving you at least $10 or £10 worth of cashback, then you will receive $10 or £5 of additional cashback. So you get more cashback if you use the link below. Not bad, isn't it? And if you like these saving tips, there are loads of them in the playlist of short videos that I will drop above me. And the first video is about my budgeting spreadsheet that you can download from my Google Drive for free. And before we look at the third pillar, I would like to give a shout out to my fellow YouTuber, The Long Run with Joel and Christy. They are on a journey to better health and debt freedom. A very entertaining channel, so have a look at it. I've left the link in the description below. And the third pillar is investing, because you need to make money while you sleep. And the easiest and simplest way to invest is through passive investing. And in a nutshell, what you have to do is basically picking one or more funds or ETFs and periodically buy into them. And so to give you a practical example, you could buy $100 worth of S&P 500 every month. I'm not saying that you should, but I'm just giving you an example of a popular ETF. This has proved to be a very good strategy that outperformed most of actively managed portfolios. It normally works on the long run. For example, you need to stay invested for at least 5 years. Hey, do you like this investing strategy? You will find another bunch of them when you click on this playlist of short videos that I created specifically to learn all about investing from zero to hero. Which pillar did you prefer and why? Let me know in the comment section below. I will answer all of them. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.